Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook unable to login. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook unable to login, you should just go to settings to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook. And then in this page you will click for stop. Then when you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.